cheapest way to earn online as of March 2025. Alright. If you've not heard this update, you are missing out. Now, this is a platform that you can actually earn just by working. Alright. Now, Nigerian people will always say trekking. Alright. When you trek, you earn. Any amount of kilometer you earn, you trek, you earn. All you need to do is to go to the app, on your location, and then start trekking. As you're trekking, you're getting what is called Atok points. Now those points can be converted to dollar, which you can withdraw to naira and start using for whatever you want to use it for, right? So if this is the first time coming across my videos, hello, my name is Grace and welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow our YouTube channel. So if this is anything close to what you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button without conscience, alright? And then let's vibe together. So I'm going to be taking you through a screen recorded video and share with you step by step how this platform works and everything you need to know to earn on this platform. Alright, I'm going to tell you basically everything, guys. So let's go, guys. Now, this platform is called Atok. Now, what is Atok? When you heard of Atok, what what will come to your mind? Now, this is it. Atok is a reward-based digital marketing platform and Web3 mobile ad platform where users can earn passive income by washing ads and moving, all right, offering brands cost-efficient marketing campaigns with precise targeting. Here's a breakdown of the app. Keywords, reward-based platform. Atok allows users to earn rewards through simple activities like washing hands and moving. Emphasis on washing hands and moving. So in course of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can wash hands and how you can win as well. Now it's a move to earn. So when you move, you earn as well. So it's as simple as that. Move to earn and wash to earn as well. Web3 and clinical. Okay. Now Atok Swap has a swap fee that allows users to swap token. How you can withdraw is to swap your Atok app in any of the exchanges that you know, and then you cash out from there. Do you understand? How to claim your check-in bonuses daily, claim tokens every 4 hours. So this is basically how to as well. Okay, so I'm going to tell you everything you need. Guys, this is the platform now. All you need to do is to hit on the link I'm going to be dropping at the description box area. Okay, that is where the link will be. When you hit on the link, it's going to take you to your Google Play Store. All you need to do is to download this app. Once you download this app, you set up everything, register. The registration process is very simple, okay, and then put in your password or your pin. All right, so immediately you are done, come to this area. Now let me share with you how this platform basically works, how you can earn on this platform. All right, now when you come to this surface, this is the surface of the app. All right, so now the first thing you need to do every single day, in every 3 hours, once you get to this place, you click on this check-in. Immediately you register, always come check into the app every 3 hours or 4 hours. As clearly stated in that area that I told you, always click on this check-in. Once you click on this check-in, Atok points will be given to you. Do you understand? Now let me click on it so that you see it. All right, do you see? Receive 0.07 Atok. Do you see? They have given 0.074 Atok point. As you can see, it is reflected here already that they have given me Atok point. So immediately you click on this thing now, this check-in. Now you start trekking. Do you understand? Okay, it doesn't mean you must go and trek around your village or trek around your compound. Just look for a corner in your house and be trekking left, right, be trekking up and down, maybe in your parlor. Just be trekking and you see that your money will be increasing. All right, all you need to do is to click on the check-in and start trekking. As you click on this check-in, your Atok point will be given to you first of all right, and then you start trekking. So after trekking, once you are done, maybe you are tired, it doesn't have any limit, just trek. This place at the road 0 kilometers, you will see Atok points. All right. I'm going to be sharing with you a video also that when I was trekking, because I made a screen recorded video when I was trekking and the Atok points that they gave to me. All right, so you stay put to the end of this video so that you see it. All right, so now there's another way for you to earn on this platform as well. It's not just trekking, you have to watch videos just like it's clearly stated there. Now when you want to watch videos, you click on this avatar. All right, when you click on these avatars, I think I've watched my video, so nothing is reflecting here. Now you also have to answer questions too as well, maybe personal questions. All right, yesterday I answered my question. I don't know whether it's time. Now, this is the question that they gave to me today. All right. When buying cosmetics, do you check the ingredients and use before buying? Do you understand? So you check out the question and answer it. So immediately you answer the three questions, like they give you three questions every single day. You understand? So once you answer the question, they are going to give you a talk point as well. Do you understand? So this is basically everything here. All right. So now let me go and share with you another thing. Now, another way for you to earn on this platform is to refer and earn. So now when you click on this referral program, you come down here and click on your referral link, and then you copy it and go and invite anybody you want to invite. And guess what? Once you invite one person, you're getting 50 atok. All right. So it's a very great platform. Do you understand? So once you've accumulated, enough atok points, you can just cash out. Let me say 1,000 atok points. You can cash out. Now, for you to know how much you have in your wallet, you have to click on this manage at the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, it's going to basically show you the amount that you've, earned on this platform. All right. So I've already gotten 0.09, you know, cents because I just entered this platform not too long, like one day ago. All right. And plus the fact that I use my Atok points to go and spin and I lose. So now when you scroll down, you'll see all your activities that you've done. Understand? They're going to show you everything, all your activities, how much you've earned, how much you've lost. This is how much I've lost on the platform because I was trying to go and earn to because I was trying to go and spin to earn bigger. You understand? At the process I lost 5 Atok points. Alright. So let me share with you how you can also spin. Maybe if you are lucky you can earn. So now when you want to play games now, alright. When you want to play games, like when you want to spin, you click on this game pad here. When you click on it, to take you down to this place. You click on the first or the second one. Now when you get to this place, you can spin. Do you understand? Now for me, I don't want to click on the spin because I've already lost. So you can win 10 times more at Toku. Then once you spin, you can also win as well. So if you are lucky enough, you can win enough at Toku and add to your points. But for me, I'm not trying it again. Maybe until I get enough at Toku point before I'm able to come here and spin again, guys. So you can come here and play games and then you earn as well. So there are a lot of ways for you to earn on this platform. Do you understand? And that is just basically everything you need to know. All right. Now this is how much I've been able to accumulate while walking. Alright, so just watch the video keenly. You see that this kilometer plate will increase. Alright, so just watch it closely. That is when you see that it will increase. So all you need to do is, like I've told you before, when you click on the check-in, start trekking. Alright, so you don't need to do any special thing for you to start trekking. Click on the check-in and then start trekking, and your points will be increasing as well. Alright, so now I've not talked about the withdrawing process. Alright, so now for you to withdraw now, you need a new link. So I'm going to be dropping the link at the description box area as well. So if you want me to create a WhatsApp group, you guys just let me know. I'll create a WhatsApp group separately for this purpose so that we can discuss better on WhatsApp. Alright, so now all you need to do is to click on the link and then connect your wallet. Alright, when you connect your wallet, now before then you will be needing a MetaMask wallet, alright, a BNB wallet, because that is where you will connect your wallet to and then swap these your tokens to, to USDT and withdraw. That is where you swap this your USDT token and withdraw. Alright, so that is where you swap that is where you swap this your USDT token and then withdraw as Naira. Alright, so this is simply and basically how this platform works. Alright, so if you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section. I'll be here to answer all your questions. Alright, if this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to as many people that need to make this money just by working. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well for more money making platform, because I know of many, because I'm a and it will be my joy to share with you this money making platform so that we can make cool money together while doing